A very good morning to all of you. I'm Ramita, your science teacher. Today, I will be discussing lesson number 8, a treat for mosquitoes. Beta, this chapter is all about malaria. What is malaria? Malaria is a disease spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. During rainy season, there are maximum chances of mosquito to breed. Okay? If you have any of the following symptoms, I think you should consult doctor. You know what are the symptoms? The symptoms are headache, fever, shivering or vomiting. If you have any of the symptoms, you should consult doctor. Doctor will ask you for the blood test and the report will tell whether you are having malaria or not. Now I am talking about prevention. Prevention is always better than cure. We should take the following precautions to keep away from this disease. The first one is we can use disinfectant at home as it kills germs. Beta, use good night or mosquito coil at night. Do not forget to spray kerosene oil on the stagnant water. Remember, do not allow water to stagnate around your house. Do you know the bark of cinchona tree is used to make the medicine for this disease, malaria? To learn more about this chapter, please have a look.
A treat for mosquitoes. In this chapter, I will be discussing about the disease called malaria. Malaria is a disease spread by the bite of a female Anopheles mosquito. During rainy season, there are maximum chances of malaria as mosquitoes breed easily during this season. When the female Anopheles mosquitoes bite a sick person and sucks his blood, malarial germs from the sick person pass into the body of the mosquito. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, it transmits these germs to the healthy person. Now, I will be discussing about the symptoms of malaria. These are vomiting, headache, shivering, sudden fever. Prevention is always better than cure. That is why it is necessary to keep our surrounding clean. We can protect ourselves from being bitten by a mosquito by doing the following. We can surround our bed with a mosquito net. Wear clothes that cover our arms and legs fully when we sleep at night. Use mosquito repellent creams and light a mosquito coil at night. Sprinkle kerosene oil on stagnant water. Do not allow water to collect in coolers, pits, and in old tires. We should consult doctors on time if we are having any of the symptoms of malaria. Cinchona tree was used to make a medicines for malaria. Be safe and take all the precautions to prevent the spread of malaria. 25th April is the World Malaria Day. World Malaria Day gives people the chance to promote or learn about the efforts made to prevent and reduce malaria around the world. Thank you, beta. This was the summary of the chapter. Take care. Bye bye.